Do you throw up a bunch of pictures, maybe slap a link to the MLS and call it good? If so, you're missing out on a ton of marketing potential. Hey everyone, I'm Pete Stagel with Servant 360. If you're new here, we share tips and strategies to help realtors just like you sell more houses faster and for more money. Make sure to like and subscribe to always be notified when we release these weekly videos. When you get your delivery email from us, you have access to a ton of media-rich content that you can use to help market your listing. But that by itself isn't where it should stop. You need a strategy and plan to get the word out about your new listing. You want everyone who's looking for your listing to know that it's available and ready to become their new home. In the last couple of videos, we've talked about all the nifty marketing graphics and videos you get with our Total Marketing Kit. We've encouraged you to sign up for our webinar where we're going to show you how to use all these tools. Psst, make sure you sign up. It's this Wednesday at 1 p.m. One of the big things we're going to cover on the webinar is our 5-day listing marketing blitz framework. This is your strategy and plan for making sure everyone knows that your listing is hot on the market. We're going to give you the exact layout and what to say in your Facebook, Instagram, and even LinkedIn posts. And we're going to show you what to post for the first 5 days your listing is active. This framework alone is worth signing up for the webinar. So join me this Wednesday at 1 p.m. Don't forget, we're covering how to navigate your account, including scheduling, rescheduling, and canceling shoots, how to download your photos, copy your virtual tour links, as well as where to use which ones. We'll go over every piece of the Total Marketing Kit, from the property website to the social media tiles and teaser videos. And we're going to reveal our 5-day listing marketing blitz framework. We're going to answer all of your questions about how to use your listing media. We'll also have a live Q&A section, so bring all your marketing questions. This event is going to be a lot of fun. We're going to do some giveaways, and you'll come away with a ton of marketing tips and tricks. So make sure you sign up today. Again, it's Wednesday, November 10th at 1 p.m. Sign up at the link below. We look forward to seeing you there. At Servant 360, we feel realtors shouldn't have to put up with inconsistent results from their marketing providers, and that's why we provide consistent quality photos, floor plans, virtual tours, and videos to help realtors just like you sell more houses faster and for more money. Help us spread the word by liking, subscribing, and sharing these videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, it's our pleasure to serve.